In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Chatgpt with Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your Word document workflow with the power of AI, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Word on your computer. If you haven't used Word before, no worries. It's available either as an application on your desktop or as a web-based platform via Microsoft Office Online. Take a moment to launch Word and you'll soon be ready for the next step. Once you've got Word open, decide whether you'd like to work with an existing file or if you prefer to start from scratch with a new document. Opening an existing file can be a great choice if you're working on something specific and want to see how Chatgpt can enhance your work. On the other hand, creating a new document allows you to freely experiment without altering your current projects. With your document open, focus your attention on the top of the toolbar, where you'll notice an option labeled Add-ins. Click on this, as adding functionality to your Word experience is what's going to allow you to start using Chatgpt. It's incredible how integrating AI tools into familiar software can boost productivity and creativity. After clicking on Add-ins, it's time to find the one we're looking for, Chatgpt for Word. Use the search function or scroll through the available add-ins until you locate Chatgpt for Word. This tool will serve as your AI writing companion, ready to help generate text, brainstorm ideas, or even translate language, all without leaving the document. When you've found the Chatgpt for Word add-in, go ahead and click Add. Adding it integrates the AI functionality directly into your Word interface, making it readily available whenever you need a bit of assistance or a creative spark. Keep in mind, depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a moment for the add-in to fully integrate. Patience here pays off, as once installed, you'll have a powerful ally at your fingertips. Once the add-in has been successfully added, it's ready to be put to work. You can start typing your prompt directly into your document. Think of this as crafting a question or starting a sentence that you'd like AI to continue or explore. The possibilities are quite vast. Whether it's crafting a formal letter, summarizing a report, or formulating creative prose, Chatgpt can assist wherever needed. And there you have it. You've integrated Chatgpt into Microsoft Word, opening a world of possibilities for your writing. With AI now a part of your workflow, you're equipped to tackle a wide variety of writing tasks with ease and efficiency. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial, and happy writing.